Hi guys, it's Ken with Jester IT Consulting. It is September 21st, 2021, and we're going to throw a video out there. I've heard from a lot of people that, you'll get a lot more views if, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So, the whole point of this is really not to get a trillion views, though I don't suppose I would mind if it happened, but to just kind of help my subscribers out uh, if they have some ideas or reference material, et cetera, to kind of help folks out. Um, and I enjoy it. It's relaxing. So, um, there will be some new cameras that we'll try and all the rest of that just to kind of get the best experience for you folks as possible. But it's a process, and I'm a patient sort. So, uh, while I was in Memphis during Hurricane Ida, of course, the North Shore of the lake didn't have power for a week. So, went up to Memphis and was kind of doing some things there, and uh, came up with a little residential job. Some getting Wi-Fi into a house, um, et cetera, et cetera. Probably use some Ubiquity hardware. I am curious about this new UDM that's out, but it's not in production yet. So I guess that'll be a down the line set of circumstances. Um, at this point, probably get a UDM Pro with the integrated switch. Uh, don't really need to get the 10 gig version. 1 gig will do just fine. Um, this area I don't believe has fiber, so I, 10 gig isn't even an option. So, and of course, part of this will be some security cameras, but of course, it's residential, so there's a fairly small budget involved. Uh, so, what I have done is I have started to look at some low price, high def cameras that are easy to set up, easy to maintain. Just have your app on your cell phone, et cetera, et cetera. So, if you look down in the comments, there are a couple of options that I put in there. There's also a video by the great Chris at Crosstalk, who I reference a lot for the things that I do. So, of course, wanted to give um, the appropriate notification to them. Um, they do great videos. They've got like 250,000 folks following them, and it's for a good reason. They really are good at what they do. And yes, I know there's a clock behind my head that keeps popping in and popping out. And at some point, I will just take that thing off the wall. But until then, or until the green screen gets here, um, we're just going to have to live with it. So, uh, as I said down in the comments, you'll see some links. I'm not an Amazon affiliate at this point, so I won't get anything out of it, and they're fairly low cost. I think the Blink system is about 120 or $130, um, and you get two cameras out of it. You need more cameras than that. Actually, the best buy for the dollar is the five camera system. For $100 more, you get three more cameras. Um, they are high def. You can get audio out of them, so it's probably not the greatest audio in the world, but it will get somebody's attention. There's another option in there that I picked up and are looking at. So feel free to take a look at those, and if they fit in your budget, let's go for it. So far in the testing that I've reviewed and done, the video on both cameras is quite adequate. You'll be able to tell if somebody's walking up your driveway, somebody's sniffing around your packages, et cetera, et cetera. So I'm really pleased with both. I'll probably use the blinks in this set of circumstances. Uh, if I had a little more budget, I'd probably just get the Ubiquity cameras and integrate them with UDM, et cetera, et cetera. But that's not an option in this set of circumstances. So we will go with this. If anybody has any suggestions on how to kind of condense the project or any other options that we would certainly look at. Not exactly what I do a lot of. I'm more of the systems guy, but um, I know these folks, and I'm gonna do them a favor because, well, they did me a favor. So, anybody has any other options or other suggestions, please throw them down in the comments. I'm more than happy to take a look. Once I get some video from these cameras, et cetera, I'll throw up another video just to kind of let everybody see what it is that we got. And if it's something that you'd be interested in, feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email, and we'll be more than glad to consult with you on it. If anybody's got any questions, please let me know. Have a great Tuesday, and we'll see you later this